Привіт-привіт! My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video lesson, I'm going to teach you how to pronounce the names of the Ukrainian cities correctly. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. So, поїхали! Let's get it started. The largest cities of Ukraine. Найбільші міста України. Найбільші міста України. So let's start with the Western Ukraine. Western Ukraine – Західна Україна. Західна Україна. And one of the most popular cities in the Western Ukraine is Lviv. Lviv. Have you ever been to Lviv? This is our cultural capital of Ukraine. I love this city so much. Lviv. Also in the Western Ukraine we have Ivano-Frankivsk. 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 Near the Ivano-Frankivsk is файне місто Тернопіль. Файне місто, it means good city or beautiful city. This is just the second name of this city. And fine, this is a Western Ukrainian dialect word. It means good, fine, beautiful. Let me repeat one more time. Ternopil. Ternopil. Also here we have the city Rivne. 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 Another city is Khmelnytskyi. 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 Lutsk. 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 We have K at the end of this word. Pay attention. Lutsk. 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 But perhaps it sounds like because it sounds like a hashing one at the end. Lutsk. Lutsk. Okay. Also we have here the city of Chernivtsi. Chernivtsi. Chernivtsi, and also the city of Uzhhorod. 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 Northern Ukraine. Північна Україна. Північна Україна. The heart of our country is Kyiv. Kyiv. Please repeat after me. Kyiv. Please don't pronounce it as Kyiv. Kyiv. We don't like it. It is killing us because this is how orcs pronounce the name of our capital. Kyiv. And please pay attention how we write it in English, the correct transliteration of this city. Okay, also we have here in the northern Ukraine Житомир, 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 Чернігів, 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 Суми, Суми, Суми. Okay, good, well done. Southern Ukraine, Південна Україна, my homeland, because I'm from the southern Ukraine. Південна Україна. Here we have Запоріжжя, Zaporizhzhia. Pay attention, we write this city with double letter Z. You remember, yes, this confusing letter for you. Z. Zaporizhzhia. 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 This is the capital of Kazakhs. Yes, Ukrainian Kazakhs. Also, we have beautiful city Odessa. Odessa. Also pay attention that Odessa it is written in Ukrainian language with one letter S. Odessa. Odessa. Mykolaiv. 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 And my dear Kherson. Oh my God, my dear Kherson, my poor Kherson, occupied one. I hope it will be liberated very soon. I miss it so much. Kherson. 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 Okay. Східна Україна. Так, Eastern Ukraine, Східна Україна. My dear, Східна Україна. Харків, Харків, Харків. By the way, Kharkiv is the first capital of Ukraine. Yes, it was our capital, and then approximately in the middle of the 20th century we changed it into Kyiv because Kyiv is just located closer to Europe. Okay, Kharkiv. Donetsk, 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 Donetsk. Luhansk, Luhansk, Luhansk. And our hero city, Mariupol, Mariupol, Mariupol. Donetsk, Luhansk, Mariupol, Херсон – це Україна. Це Україна. Окей, Центральна Україна. Central Ukraine. Please don't write in the comments below, Ina, you're not right. Like Dnipro, it is located in the central eastern part of Ukraine. I know that maybe it is not accurate geographical locations of the city, but it's not the lesson of geography. This is the lesson of Ukrainian language, Ukrainian phonetics, and I teach you how to pronounce the name of the Ukrainian cities correctly. So, Central Ukraine, Центральна Україна. Here we have Dnipro, Dnipro. Yes, you're right, Dnipro is the name of our Ukrainian river, and also this is the name of the city. Dnipro, that is also located on the riverbank of Dnipro. Вінниця, Вінниця. Вінниця, we write it with double N. Вінниця. Вінниця. Pay attention. Вінниця. Черкаси. 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 Кропивницький. 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 Kropivnitsky. The name of this city has the form of the adjective, the same like Khmelnytsky, Kropivnitsky. Pay attention. And also I would like to teach you another city is Poltava. 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 And of course I want to tell you how to say Crimea in Ukrainian language because Крим – це Україна. Крим, Crimea, Крим. And the full name of the peninsula is the Autonomous Republic of Crimea. Автономна Республіка Крим. Автономна Республіка Крим. And the main city in this peninsula is Simferopol. 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 Okay, guys, I taught you how to pronounce the largest administrative cities of Ukraine. In which cities have you been in Ukraine? Please write in the comments below. I'm curious to know what is your favorite Ukrainian city. Also, I'm curious to know how many of my subscribers visited Ukraine, and please also tell me what cities would you like to visit when Ukraine win the war. I'm very curious, really. Oh my god, I repeated this word 3 times. Okay, so guys, I would like to invite you to sign up for the 6th edition of my amazing course from absolute beginner to a confident speaker. It will be launched on August 22. You can sign up for it right away. Please hurry up because there are limited amounts of places, especially for such packages as Master and Guru. So if you want to be my private student, if you want to get my support directly, please sign up for Guru package then. And I will be so happy to support you and to teach you the basics of Ukrainian language. And I want to tell you that 205 people finished my course, and you can check out their reviews on the language on the course page. On the course page, you can check out the link to the description of this video. Check out my website speaky.com, my favorite school, Speak Ukrainian. There you will find textbooks, flashcards, courses, blog, everything that you need to learn my beautiful Ukrainian language. Please keep supporting Ukraine, support me on Patreon, support Ukraine people in Kherson through my charity store. Buy t-shirts, Save Ukrainian Life. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much. Your teacher Ina, and papa. Bye bye.